We're going to be unboxing the Insta360 GO Ultra, which is a tiny hands-free 4K camera. So it does come in a plastic wrap, but once you take that plastic wrap off, first we have the actual camera itself. So I've read online that the magnet for the camera is actually pretty strong. But here we have the actual camera. Let me zoom in. Okay, so here we have the actual camera, which is really, really lightweight. I mean, I'd say that it weighs a couple grams. This is the magnet holder that you see right over there. And then on top of that, you open this box here. It includes the charging cable. So it is a Type-C cable. And also you have the magnet. So this magnet is what goes around your neck to kind of hold the camera together. So as you can see here, it attaches just like that. Now, in addition to that, you also have this magnetic clip. So this magnetic clip makes it very easy to attach to your shirt or anything. So it's a pretty strong clip that's included with. But same thing, magnet can go on it just like this. And then you also have what I like to call the action pod. So this is what Insta360 calls is the action pod. And with the action pod that you see here, it is water resistant. This is where the camera goes as a housing kit. And so it's actually a pretty strong magnet. I'd say go ahead and figure out how to go ahead and remove that. I don't want to break it, but this is my first time using it. And in addition to that, you just have some manuals and stickers inside the box as well. But I'll be making more videos on how to go ahead and get started with your Insta360 GO Ultra. But that's pretty much it. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.